are you most excited to try Polygraph Laboratory?
My name is Martin and Tripia. I'm most excited to try this laboratory because it gives me the opportunity to apply what I learned in theory to investigate real-world techniques. I'm especially interested in experiencing how scientific methods like polygraph testing or forensic analysis and development in a controlled setting, which makes the criminology field more hands-on and practical.
What skills do you expect to gain from this lab?
I expect to develop skills in observation, critical thinking, and proper handling of investigative tools. I also hope to strengthen my attention to detail, data interpretation skills, and understanding of ethical practices in criminal investigation.
How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career?
These skills will help me become more confident and competent in investigative work, whether it's interviewing, gathering evidence, or analyzing data. They will also prepare me for fieldwork law enforcement roles or ethical response in criminology